Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on FedEx. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fedex.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the FedEx website from which you will be asked to choose your location. Just click on your desired language as well as your location and you will be taken into the home page. Now, right from the home page, if you don't see open an account at the very beginning, click on sign up/login at the top right corner. Then click on open an account and you will be taken into the sign up page. Just click on the sign up now button and you will be taken into the registration page. Just enter your personal details such as your first and your last name, your company name, and then your territory. Then enter the address of your business, and once you type it in, you will be allowed to create your login details. Just type in your desired email address and then type in your password and you will be asked to verify this email. Now, once you are allowed to create your login, you can use your email ID and you can also create your own user ID. Just click on whichever option is suitable for you and then type in your password. After typing in your account password, type it in once again for confirmation and then agree with the terms and conditions. Then click on create my user ID and you will be told that your FedEx account has successfully been created. You can now start using the application at any time. But before you start using it, make sure to check your inbox and then verify your account by clicking on the link within on the email that you received from FedEx. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on FedEx. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.